Hey honey, how's it going? Yeah, I've got jobs coming out of my ass for the next month or so. At this rate, we're going to pay off those back taxes before you know it. Did you pick up Joe Jr. from hockey practice? Great. Okay, yeah, I'm packing up right now. I'll be home in a few. Oh, wait. What are we having for dinner tonight? I love sloppy joes. It's been raining like Grand Central since the debates. Hey, it's Joe. Don't tell me the score. Oh, wait. Yeah. When are you coming home? All right, great. Oh, I gotta go. We're gonna score. Yeah, the usual. All right, bye. Yeah, come on. Yeah! Woo! Yes! Come on. That's how we do it. Yeah. Honey, I'm home. Vote no on 8. Equality for everybody. Don't hate. No on 8.